Are you a web developer wondering if your skills will be obsolete in 5 years? AI isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rulebook for digital creation. Discover exactly how AI is reshaping the future of web development, what upcoming shifts you need to prepare for, and the essential new skill sets you'll need to thrive, not just survive, in this evolving landscape. AI is no longer a side tool. It's becoming a core driver of how we build, test, and ship digital experiences. The big question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, how do I adapt so that I'm irreplaceable? Let's start with coding. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can now generate boilerplate, fix bugs, and even suggest optimizations faster than most juniors. This means the value of developers is shifting away from raw coding speed and toward architecture, problem solving, and context awareness. Instead of fearing AI as a replacement, think of it as your co-pilot. Developers who learn to harness AI will be 10 times more productive than those who don't. Next, let's talk about design and front-end work. AI isn't just writing code, it's shaping what websites look like. Generative systems can now create responsive layouts, color palettes, and even accessibility improvements on the fly. The future role of front-end developers is less about coding every button and more about curating, refining, and validating AI-generated interfaces. Your role shifts from a painter with a brush to an art director with a vision. Back-end automation is also transforming. Soon, with just natural language, you'll describe your database or API logic, and AI will build it for you. But someone still needs to make sure it scales, stays secure, and doesn't break. So while repetitive tasks get automated, areas like security, system design, and performance optimization remain critical developer skill sets. So what skills should you focus on to future-proof your career? 4 stand out: prompt engineering and AI literacy, system architecture thinking, ethics and data responsibility, and continuous learning. AI will handle the repetitive parts of the job. Your edge will come from creativity, strategy, and technical judgment. AI won't make developers obsolete. It will make bad developers obsolete. The future belongs to those who embrace AI as a creative and technical multiplier.
The real question isn't whether AI will change web development. It already has. The question is, will you evolve with it